What's up, guys? Chris Tisdale with COINTABLE here, and I was right in the middle of doing something and I thought, you know what? This might be useful to somebody out there. Boom! Woo! Boom, 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 baby!
Definitely hit the jackpot on this one.
We're moving on up. Why we do it! So we lock it in, boom. Does that sound like a fair deal?
You guys, here's what I'm doing. I've got this coin. It's a 1971 proof cent. It's graded 67 red cameo. 1971, no big deal, right? No, it wouldn't be worth anything. Except for the fact that it is the double-dyed obverse. Right there, it's the double-dyed obverse. With that said, it's not noted on the label. So in this case, what needs to happen is this coin needs to be attributed where it's on the label in order for it to sell and command max money. So to do that, you've got to send it back to PCGS for variety attribution. Now, what I like to do is I like to figure out exactly what variety it is first. I happen to know that on the 1971, you've got at least 3 double-dyed obverses. So the first thing I do is I go to COINFAX. Okay, COINFAX, I can look at the 1971 cent, proof cent, and I can specifically look at what varieties PCGS will attribute. Now, they also have pictures, but their photos can be kind of hard to tell when you're looking at a doubled cent, right? We're talking very small letters and numbers. And so I'll go to PCGS website, which is coinfax.com, and I'll find out which varieties they attribute, and then I'll go over to NGC's website where they have better macro photos of every variety, and I will look for the varieties that PCGS attributes, and I will look up the pictures on NGC's website, compare those to my coin, figure out, oh, it's FS-102 or FS-101 or whatever it is, and then I'll send it off to a PCGS to get attributed. So we're looking here at the 1971S double-dyed obverse. So right here, FS-101, FS-102, FS-103. Now, click on these photos here, or double click I should say, and now you've got blown up macro photos of the coin. That's a really good spread on Liberty, and it's also a really good spread on the date. This particular photo is of a late die state. Okay, so I'll look at that, and then I'll come over here to this one, the FS-102. Now this one here has got a much better spread. It's actually pretty killer. Look at that, you guys. Except for the date. The date's not a big deal. But Liberty is quite an extreme spread on a double-dyed obverse. I guess we'll just look at this since we're right here. FS-103. Much more minor. I wouldn't be surprised if they did away with that here sooner than later. So the two main ones that we are hoping that it is either the 101 or the 102. Okay. So guys, after looking at those photos and comparing it to my coin, I'm very confident that mine is the double-dyed obverse FS-101. Wish it was the FS-102 because it would be, you know, they're more scarce and so it would make it more valuable, but definitely going to take it anyways. It's a registry-set coin, and I expect it to command a really good premium at auction. So, thanks for watching. I'm Chris Tisdale with COINTABLE. That's how you go ahead and figure out what varieties you have before you send them back for attribution. We're using coinfax.com. We're using ngccoins.com. There are a couple other resources too. I'm going to go ahead and put links in the description just so you guys have those at your disposal. Thanks for watching. See you next time.